This conference will now be recorded.
So hi all, thanks for joining. This is Sandeep here, and today we are for the workshop of SAP S4HANA 2010 BW HANA, which is 7.5 onwards. So I am Sandeep, and I represent a company by name Fortified, and we are basically a cloud ERP implementation company. We operate from US, UK, and India. In India, we are in Bangalore, and US, we are in Texas, and UK in Hertfordshire. All right, so agenda of this workshop is to know what is Fortified Infotech, what is objective of this training program. All right, what are the opportunities that we will have after training as an employment, or you can work as a freelancer. What are those opportunities we'll be looking on? What would be the training cost we'll be discussing, and what would be the compensation? What are the additional benefit? So as a company, we started operating from 2003 as an IT consulting company. We do transformation of technology and implementation of technology. Right. So this is about the company. We have been working on various cloud platform. So one of the ERP is that we are implementing BW HANA, right? S4 HANA from BW, and where we are going to focus on implementation for the customers. So we will be migrating from on-premise, that is R3 to HANA database, and front end we are going to work on BW HANA. So we have customized program where we are going to have three types of program. One is basic, advanced, and expert. In basic, right, the cost will be 47. The cost varies only because of licensing, long duration licensing, 1 year licensing. With the certification, it will be 2,12,000, right? With 1 year support and 1 year license. All right. So training duration in basic is 60 hours, advanced also, and expert also. Additional system login after your training is 30 hours, 60 hours, and 90 hours. Plus you'll be part of our paid project where you're going to work another 60 hours, 90 hours, and 160 hours where you're going to work on implementation, transformation, or technology migration. So once you complete a project, you will be observed. You are going to be onboarded at Fortified Infotech, right, where you will be working as an employee. You have an option to work as a full-time or freelancer. Right, certification assistance means training also will be given. Right, additional 15 hours, 25 hours, and 40 hours. All right, and certification examination in basic and advanced, you will have to pay that, and in expert level, company will sponsor it. All right. Plus, you'll have a recording of all the classes, whatever is done, so that a copy of that recording goes to client and one copy is with you. Right. Apart from this, we will have material. We will have client interaction, requirement gathering sessions with the customers, blueprinting level, and all. That's an interview preparation. Then once you complete a training and project, you have a completion certificate from Fortified. Apart from this, you will be given a support of additional, which is 90 hours, 180, and for 1 year. Right. Once you are deployed, once you are hired, you need a technical support from project level, right, from project manager or delivery manager, so that we can sustain you in the project and can complete. It should not be like we onboard you after 3 months, we say no, client is not happy with the resource. It happens, no? Many people do that. So we don't want to put risk of our projects. Compensation for full time, it is going to be 1,500 to 1,50,000 to 200K. Number of years experience. Freelancer will be 5,000 to 20,000. Deployment we do for companies also. All right. So as now we'll be having weekdays and weekends. Weekdays Monday to Friday, right? Morning 1 hour or evening 1 hour. Weekends we'll have Monday to Friday, and you'll have system access, which is 24/7. All right. So that is one thing. We'll be having position 18 position to be filled by this year, 2021 and 22 March by that. So that is how. So what is that first thing we will do is migrate the database, master database, to SAP HANA. Current Oracle, our database of SAP R3 is in Oracle database. We'll be moving to HANA. Middleware is S4 HANA, and front end we have Fury and BW HANA, right? So S4 HANA is integrating with the devices like RFID, QR code, artificial intelligence, and all. So intention of SAP is to make as much automations in future and can digitalize. We'll be doing two things. One is migrating business warehouse to SAP HANA, and post migration, we are going to work on embedded analytics for the customers, right? Creating digital dashboards, customization specific to business requirement, and optimization of the customer need, right? So that is one thing. So most of the skills what we will have is from data management or data warehouse, which we are going to work for our customer and will be part of the project. So total stages is data management, different data modeling, integration with multiple system for our customers we are going to have in the project phase. So we will configure HANA 2.0. We are going to go with BW HANA, and we are going to use tools, migration cockpit tools. All right. And apart from this, we'll be using different modeling, well, like data specific to the system, like we are going to use statistical calculations for the system, data optimization. So major focus will be on building an advanced system for our customers. All right, so here a mixed scenario, because we are going to use hybrid business model, right, where on-premise and cloud part systems are there, which will be taking in. So this is how, apart from this, will be part of online reporting generating for the customers and their business requirement. Project will be on more on BW HANA, which is on the data management, analytics, and reporting for the customer, which we can optimize towards the business and take into consideration. So one, we will be what we are having in BW HANA, in S4 HANA, we will more advance on the applications point we are going to configure. So we may have various types of data structure, such as we may have different modeling data, right? Info type migrations we'll have, all right? All this we are going to specifically configure and migrate for our customers. So one is SAP HANA, BW HANA will be doing, and same thing Fiori also we are going to do about. So we have designed this program where you will be configuring BW HANA, migrating the system from SAP to BW HANA, different data modules we will have on the cluster layer. All right, so we will have the different mixed scenarios specific to the customer requirement. So this is how we'll be looking on the project. When you start, you will be from explore and realize stage. On-site team will work for discovery and prepare. We are going to start this project from July. So training will start from coming week, and project will start from mid of June, and July mid will start the onboarding of the people. So this is the life cycle which will be the project phase will be working on, and as per our business requirement. So overall intention is to build your competency, utilize you in the project specific to our business need, all right, so that we can optimize the customer requirement. All right, so we'll open the session. Any question you have, Madhu, you can let us know so that I can help you out. Any questions, Madhu? So you can connect to HR. If you have any clarification, we can take it further. Right. So I think she will call you tomorrow, or if you wanted to have more discussion, we can take it further. So thank you for joining. If you don't have questions, but still, if you get across, yes, we'll be taking these sessions from coming week. So thank you very much for joining. Thanks.